How to make money in agriculture tourism. Agriculture is a very important part of the world economy. Over 1 billion people worldwide work in agriculture, generating $2.4 trillion for the global economy. It produces a large percentage of the food we eat and provides a livelihood for millions of people worldwide. In developing countries, agriculture might be the only real source of income for many people. In developed countries, it often provides an essential safety net to those who have been affected by an economic downturn or disaster. Agriculture constitutes the main source of employment of the majority of the world's poor. In total, the share of agriculture in total employment in developing countries constitutes 53% of the total workforce in 2004. The amount of food that is produced by agriculture policies as nations compete to export more produce than their rivals. What are the major agricultural regions in the world? The world's major agricultural regions are in temperate zones of Europe's, Northern America, and rain-fed systems in the subtropical and humid tropical areas. What is agricultural tourism? Agricultural tourism can be defined as a type of tourism that focuses on the rural and agriculturally based activities within a region. It includes activities such as visiting farmers' markets, farm tours, and local food tastings. Agricultural tourism is a type of tourism that involves the exploration of the countryside and agricultural activities. It gives you a chance to see how other people live, what they do, their habits, their traditions, and their cultures. And it provides an opportunity for interacting with the local people in an environment that is very different from your own. Farmers are important because they grow our food. They produce clean air which reduces pollution in cities, help protect biodiversity by preserving natural habitats, and provide work for rural communities. These are just some of the reasons to visit them while they are working, because watching them do what they do best will make you appreciate everything that goes into producing your food. Why is agricultural tourism growing? The main reason agriculture tourism is expanding is because people are becoming more interested in where their food comes from, how it's grown, and who's growing it. This has led to a rise in demand for farm-to-table experiences, with people wanting to see where their food was produced firsthand. How to make money with agriculture tourism. Agriculture tourism is a growing niche among the tourism industry. It gives people a chance to spend time on farms and learn about agriculture and farming techniques. Tourists typically enjoy such activities as hair rides, picking crops, feeding animals, learning about how different fruits and vegetables grow, making jams and preserves, or taking pesticide-free vegetable walks. These activities make for great family outings or team-building exercises with colleagues. They are also worth considering for the future because of the growing interest in this niche of tourism. What are the different types of agriculture tourism activities? Agriculture tourism is one of the fastest growing sectors in tourism industry. It is a type of tourism which involves visiting different types of agriculture industries, farms, and rural areas to explore more about the agricultural products and production process. Here are some things to look out for when choosing an agriculture tour. Understand your interests, preferences, and expectations. Consider what you want to learn or see more about. Choose a day tour or multi-day trip. Know your budget constraints. What is required for successful agritourism operations? Successful agritourism operations must provide a well-rounded experience to their visitors. This experience should be fun, educational, and show the visitor the best parts of the operation. To succeed, agritourism operations need to make sure that they offer something for everyone. They should also make sure that they are not underutilizing their land, as this can lead to an uninteresting and unfilled experience for visitors. How to develop a successful agritourism business plan. Agritourism is one of the fastest growing industries in the world. It has inspired people to take up farming and start making profits out of it. It has also given them an opportunity to bring people closer to nature by bringing them on a farm for a day or two. The success of any agritourism business depends on its ability to create an experience that is memorable and unique. To make your agritourism business successful, it is important that you follow these steps. Choose your market. Develop a proven marketing strategy. Know your customers. Understand what you are selling. Plan for the future. Considerations and challenges faced by agritourism operators. Agritourism is quickly growing to become one of the most profitable industries of the 21st century. It is a business that offers an opportunity, not only to individuals but also communities, which are in close proximity of any form of agriculture. The main goal of the sector is to help local farmers generate income through agricultural tourism. But it also provides a way for others to learn about agricultural production in its various ways. This brings with it many considerations and challenges faced by them in order to succeed in this industry. Steps to make your own path in agricultural tourism. Agricultural tourism is becoming more and more popular. We see it as the next wave of tourism that will bring jobs and income to rural communities. People are starting to explore the world through food. Agriculture is one of those things. There are many ways to get involved in agricultural tourism, but there are some steps you should know before getting started. The first step would be to evaluate your current skill set and interests. Do you have any agricultural related skills? What is your favorite food? These answers will help you find out where you can best fit into this industry. Next step would be finding a farm, hostel or bed and breakfast that fits what you need or want from your experience. You can ask them about their involvement in agricultural tourism and the opportunities they offer for